2 Hearts In, doing a review on a new Ryobi pool LED light Bluetooth speaker on it, and it's supposed to put a light show and do a whole bunch of stuff. Just amazing. So you got to see it, and I hope it's awesome. So we'll open it here. Kids don't use knives. Another manual. Well, here it is. It looks like some kind of alien takeoff, I don't know, starship thing. It's got the power and the volume up front here on the top, and then the lights are on the bottom. And it looks like it releases from everything right here. There's 4 releases. I honestly don't know what they do, but we'll try them out. See what it is. It's the battery. That's how you get it to go, I guess. You gotta take it apart, put the battery inside, put it inside the capsule, or whatever you want to call it. So we'll do that, see what it does. For now, I got the good battery this time, 4A8 Ryobi, 18 volt. Put it on. So since we don't have instructions, I'm just going to hit power and hope it works. Oh. See, I'm going to try to get Bluetooth on. Here it is. It says Ryobi P3520. So I hit it. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, stop that. Oh yeah. When we in the zone, I got that sunshine. Alright, so you guys saw that. It's pretty awesome. So we'll switch to going into the pool and check it out as far as what it does inside the pool. We got a neighbor's pool here that we're going to use. Hopefully going to be pretty sweet. So here we have it in the pool right now, and it's doing its light show. This is Larry in the pool, my neighbor. So I got my phone here, and we're gonna try a song. We'll try this one. Okay. Okay. Everything getting harder to find. Metropolis on the edge of control. So we'll switch it here. So I got my phone pretty far away right now. Hey, this is 2 Hearts In again. I wanted to get this done. We did have that party. It was the 30th party for the neighbor. The Ryobi speaker pool speaker did good. It wasn't too loud, so it actually worked really good because people in the pool can definitely hear it, and the people around the pool can hear it. It's just the people that are farther away, sitting in the group, that probably might not be able to hear it. But it did really good. I just want to go over it again. These pop up so it seals, so that way water can't get in it. Okay, and then these latches latch out. And then the top comes up, and then you got your battery. I played it for, I would say, at least 6 hours on this 4 AH battery. Just want to show you to see if you can see it, but it's full still. So that's pretty amazing that it doesn't take much battery to run this thing, because it does have all the light. These are just lenses right here, and then the lights are just right here. There's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's how it goes, and they're really small. The volume is up here, but honestly, use your phone. Of course, if you're in the pool and you're not gonna have your phone, so you can do it here. There is 3 modes. It's not anything that you'd have to worry about. One mode, sleep mode. The other mode is without the light, just music, which you could use during the day, but since it doesn't take much battery life, it wouldn't be a big deal. But if you're concerned about the lights going out, you could do that, turn them off, and just hear the music. The speaker is upside down in this capsule, and it's kind of got a cone, so that way, a plastic cone going inward towards the speaker, so that way, I'm guessing for water and for acoustic. They do it to make it sound better and louder, I believe. One thing that I was concerned about is kids touching it. Luckily no kids did, but I could definitely tell when they were jumping in and stuff, and it would get inside here where the speaker is. It almost sounded like it flooded out, but then it'd be fine in a couple seconds. They say you're not supposed to submerge this. I think that since it's in a pool, that they're just protecting themselves. I think you could, but you're not gonna want to. I think it'd be alright if you had kids, and just told them, you know, to not mess with it so much, but definitely for adult entertainment, if you're in the pool, even the hot tub, you could have music right there and switch it. It's pretty neat deal the way they made it. And it seals tight. It has a rubber seal right here so that no water can get in. It looks like it's built well, and inside there's even a soft foam-like circular pad, and that's for the battery. So I'm guessing first, so it doesn't pop out ever, and second, for shock absorption in case it does get hit or something. But it's neat. I mean, I don't know if you can see. You probably can see it there. It's just a pad, but it holds the battery right there. Overall, you know, as a product for $79, of course you don't get a battery, you'd have to buy that. But if you do have one already, the price is $79, so it's cheap enough. I would recommend it to anybody, and I don't really see anything besides they could increase the sound output on it. Otherwise, they did a fantastic job. And this is a review on the Ryobi floating Bluetooth speaker. This is 2 hearts in. You keep living.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room